Our broad portfolio of solutions and controls is built on a foundation of innovation and expertise. Room air conditioners, high walls, offer market-leading features in its class, including operation in up to 60 degrees centigrade ambient temperatures, auto-clean feature, high energy efficiency, 3D airflow features, and special blue or gold fin materials for extended durability and performance. York products undergo performance and reliability testing that is unmatched in our industry, thus ensuring energy savings and durable performance for years to come. Award-winning York products are designed, engineered, and built in the USA with state-of-the-art quality processes and proven through some of the toughest quality control and real-world tests. York residential products are consistently recognized for quality of workmanship, outstanding value, and reliability. York products are built with user-friendly features which help save energy, ensure sustainability, simplify maintenance, and create a more comfortable and sustainable building environment at home and work.